Going on YouTube, Pyro Nation, up at King of Boom Fireworks. Got some goodies for you. So you should know by now, when you hear my voice, that means one of two things. We either got some new fireworks in, or we got some crazy specials going on. Well, we got some crazy specials for you, Pyros. October at King of Boom is Pyro Demon Month. To go along with the Halloween season, you got Pyro Demon fireworks all on sale, every item. While supplies last, that is. So let's jump right into it and start off with 100-shot Saturn missiles on sale for $2.50. Half-brick firecrackers on sale for $3.50. 1,000-shot roll on sale for $3.75. We got some flashing thunder 10-ball Roman candles on sale for $3. Then we have Pure Evil 12-inch fountain, loud crackling high fountain, 2 for $10. Then we got this 500-gram fountain, awesome artwork. This one's on sale for, this is a $40 fountain, on sale for $17 while supplies last. Then we have some 200 grams blazing pyro, high energy, evilicious, all on sale for $6.80 each. Come and get them while supplies last. Nice, awesome 200 grams, 16 shot. You know, this is one of my favorite 200 grams. Waking Evil, on sale for $7. New for 2017, One Hot Crime, 16 shots, on sale for $7.75. Another new for 2017, 10 shot, 10 huge breaks, Hand of Doom, on sale for $8.75 while supplies last. Come and stock up on your 200 grammers. Blowout sale. This sale is, you can say it's going to be our Pyro Demon Black Friday pricing. But we're having it all month, October, all month long. Come scoop them up. Go with some 500 grams. Start off with Ultimate Power, Death Bomb, Vengeance. Awesome value cakes. Nice bangers. 500 gram, 16 shots. Oh, 12 shots. Nice bangers, 12 shots. Awesome value cakes. All three on sale for $14.25. $14.25 each. Come and get them. Then we got Rising Force and Snowblind on sale for $14.75. $14.75 while supplies last. We got, let's go with Dr. Feelgood, new for 2017. Daybreak, new for 2017. 25 awesome shots. Awesome artwork right there. I like that. These are $30 cakes on sale for $15.75. There you go. $15.75 each. Then we have General Saul House Special and Witching Hour, all on sale for $16.50 each while supplies last. All month long for October. This is our early Pyro Demon Black Friday special pricing all month long in October for Halloween. Come and get them. Then we have Devil's Playground, Skull Crusher, and Pyro Appetite. All heavy hitters. 16 shots each. $45 cakes on sale for $20.75. $20.75 each while supplies last. We have Kung Pao, Thunderstruck, Blood Night Sky, all on sale. These are $48 cakes, all on sale for $21.75. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. $21.75 while supplies last. Then we have Hellraiser, $50 cake, 25 shot fan cake, on sale for $22.50. Come and scoop it up. Then we have Salute to the Flag 5-inch super cans, new for 2017. On sale all month long during October. Our Pyro Demon early Black Friday specials on sale for $46. Come and get them while supplies last. Now, what we're gonna do is, because we have a lot of pyros coming from all parts of Michigan, Indiana, Ohio, coming and shopping with us. We thank you. We appreciate you. And what we're gonna do is, if you want any of these Pyro Demon specials going on in October, if you make the trip and it's over an hour long to our store, we're gonna extend our Black Friday specials on every other firework in the store. If you come visit us to get any of these Pyro Demon specials in October, we'll also extend to you early our Black Friday specials on every other firework in our showroom here at King of Boom Fireworks. That's just our way to say thank you. We appreciate you. We know you're traveling from far away. You can't make the trip twice. It'll be pretty difficult, but we want to help you guys out. So come check us out. Let us know. Check us out on Facebook. You guys can message us. I'm always constantly talking to pyros on Facebook through Messenger. Check us out at King of Boom Fireworks on Facebook. Message us. Let us know when you plan on coming down in October for these Pyro Demon specials. And we'll have our early Black Friday specials on every other firework we sell. So we thank you. Come check us out. Get these specials. Pyro Demon. Lowest prices of the year. Lowest prices around. Guaranteed. Thank you. Later.